Welcome to our topic series. In our topic series, we go through the detailed examination of each of our products that we have in our industrial safety products. And today I'd like to talk about specialty goggles. One of our specialty goggles is the model 510-ES3. This 510-ES3 is a very complex goggle. It has a silicone frame, so the silicone frame is not affected by heat or cold. It has a bezel that surrounds the goggle. It has an optically corrected lens with wide peripheral vision. And in this case, for this application, this has a shade 3 welding lens in it. Now this shade 3 welding lens can be used for welding and cutting, but also can be used for furnace applications. It has an elastic strap that goes around the back, and this elastic strap is easily adjusted even if you have your welding or heavy gloves on, just by pulling on the strap. To loosen it, you would just bring this forward and the strap would come forward like this. We actually modified our fireman's goggle, added the different type of a lens in it, and turned it into this shade 3 product. So since it was originally designed as a fireman's goggle, you know that it's built for high heat applications. All of the vents are hooded, so underneath these hoods, both top and bottom, we have ventilation. And the very soft frame is designed that it will work even when you wear prescription glasses underneath. So these slots here on the side accommodate prescription glasses. This face fit will work both for Occidental and Oriental faces. And the strap assembly can either be worn directly on your head, or you can mount this so that it's mounted onto the helmet itself. We include a helmet mounting kit with clips so that the strap will remain attached to your helmet. The lens, I'd already mentioned that it was shade 3, but the lens is hard-coated on the front surface and permanently anti-fog coated on the interior. We'll move to our next model. Again, this one is carrying all of the same features and benefits of what I just described, except that we've now added a shade 5 lens, which is even darker. This can be used for welding and cutting, can be used in furnace work, hot metal industry, molten glass industry. The silicone frame will not be affected. I can tell you that I've put this silicone frame into very high temperature conditions, and it doesn't transfer the heat to the human skin, so it keeps the person from getting burned. This also has the advantages of the easy adjusting elastic strap and the hard-coated lens with an anti-fog coating on the interior. I'll talk about just those lenses now, because we're selling them as replacement lenses. I have both the shade 3 and the shade 5 lenses here. These lenses are easily replaced, and by taking the bezel off of the goggle, inserting the new lens, you can now renew the goggle for its next service life. We sell the lenses for the welding goggles in both a shade 3 and a shade 5.